a flashing in my eyes, in my eyes. I see your face in the rear.
Hey guys, finally arrived here in Boracay Island. It is currently 1:10 in the afternoon and I was able to check in to my hotel room early. A little trivia and a backstory. My first out-of-town trip was in Boracay. It was back in 2014. Yeah, somewhere in June 2014. So that was my first ever out-of-town trip. And since then, I've been traveling to different places in the Philippines. So I'm happy to be back here again. I've seen a lot of improvement compared to the first time I went here, and I'm very excited to explore the island again, see some different places. But I'm just gonna stay here for 2 nights. We're celebrating my best friend's birthday together with her family. So, and also we're having Christmas here. But yeah, I hope that you'll join me in this adventure before we end the year. But before we do that, let me give you a quick room tour first.
Ever since the first time you opened up my world, I just can't seem to close my eyes and sleep. I'm locked inside this daydream, don't need any saving. But I need you to wake me up. Imagination is chasing after innocent. I've been wasting so much time living on cloud nine. Am I the only one dreaming this up? And I've been standing on the sidelines, waiting till the time's right to make you mine. 'Cause ever since the first time you opened up my world, I just can't seem to close my eyes and sleep. Inside this daydream, don't need any saving. But I need you to wake me when I fall.
It was a rain.